Hey everyone, how's it going? Yes, it's been a while since I put out a video. Sorry, I do apologize for that. Work has gotten in the way. I've been busy since the Ethereum merge has happened. There really hasn't been that much going on. I really haven't had a chance to do a lot in the crypto space. I have had a few little spec coins here and there that I've played with. Well, there's a new spec coin that actually is catching my interest to some extent, and I want to share that with you today. And this one is called PinkChain, as you can see on the screen right below me. Yes, it is another Ethereum fork, but thankfully it's not literally a clone and let's just keep mining it like Ethereum W or Ethereum Freedom, whatever heck that other coin was. Either which way, those were like direct copies. This is based off of Ethereum, but they are doing a little bit more development work to it, and they are restarting the blockchain at zero. So there will be a Genesis block. They also did have some sort of pre-sale on their Discord, has to do with their liquidity and everything else. That is beyond the scope of what I understand. I am purely a hardware miner. That's all I do. They were going to originally release the mainnet on November 1st. They did have a test net, which is still running at the time of me recording this video. Then they switched over to mainnet, but it's not true mainnet. It's like test mainnet. They're using the mainnet, but only as test to make sure that ETHash and that the blockchain and everything else was running fine. Now, that was only released to a select few. It was released to the pools that wanted to get involved just for testing, not to put out with public. Well, unfortunately, Wooly Pulley kind of dropped the hammer on that one. They put it publicly, so anyone could start mining on it, but no notation anywhere on there saying, this is still testnet. When it actually comes out mainnet, they're going to revert back to block zero. Everything that you've mined up to that point is vaporware. It's gone. Bye. See you later. It was basically just an extended testnet. So they're going to drop the bomb a little sooner. As you can see right here, now they have a mainnet countdown right over here on the page. We click this right now. At the time of me recording this, you can see 16 hours, which equates to 8 a.m. on October 26, 2022, Eastern Standard Time. If we look at their page, it basically is a fork of Ethereum. It has all basically the same functions, except that they are adding better staking from what I can understand. It's not like you're going to put like 32 ETH down or have like an ETH 2.0 or anything like that to do staking. So somehow they're going to integrate it with it. I don't understand the intricacies of how blockchain tech really works. But you can see a basic breakdown. The wallet is done on MetaMask. I will find the information for you here in 1 second. So this way you can put the 10100 mainnet in there. I do have it saved somewhere. I have to go find it. Oh, speaking of which, there you go. Didn't have to look very far. Scroll down a little bit more on their page. PinkChain, the RPC, the chain ID. This is the mainnet. 10101. Yeah, is the testnet. They were doing testnet also on 10100. That's the one that Wooly Pulley accidentally or deliberately, probably accidentally, just dropped it. Didn't even realize it and didn't make any notation on their website saying, yeah, this is still extended testnet. Anything that you mine on here will be gone. Currency symbol is pink, which is kind of odd because it does conflict with another pink coin that is out there. If you search like CoinGecko or anything else like that, it's a completely different pink. Yeah, okay. And there's our Block Explorer, which you can see the current work that's being done on it. And you can see their roadmap and ecosystem partners. So, with that in mind, here's your information. So you get the MetaMask and you can get your wallet address. Now let's get set up for mining. Let's go on over to HiveOS. Now, of course, mining is not active at the time of me recording. I have everything set up and ready for it. So for all three of my Octominers, let's just jump into Octo 1 real quick. I already have the flight sheet. Actually, no. Before that, jump back. Let's get to the wallets. And pink. So basically up here, you're going to type pink. It's going to come up with this other symbol for the other pink token. Just put it in. It doesn't really matter. Put your MetaMask address that you get in there. I put MetaMask in the name just so it's a text reference, so I know where to find the wallet. And that's it. You made your wallet on HiveOS. Now let's go to Octo 1 and let's take a look at the flight sheet I have set up here. Again, here's your wallet address. If we go to edit, I only have the MetaMask one. Pull is configure a miner. For this AMD, we're doing Team Red Miner. T-Rex is the exact same. Set up miner config. When you do this, this will be blank because it doesn't know what algorithm Pink is supposed to be using. Even that original Pink coin doesn't know what algorithm. HiveOS doesn't know. So just type in ETHash, wallet worker name, and get the pool. I currently have Wooly Pulley set up in here. Hero Miners did pop into the Discord earlier today before I started recording this. They may be jumping on it. There are like one or two other pools that are getting ready. Of course, this has not been listed on miningpoolstats.stream yet. I will put a link to their Discord down in the video description. This way you can do your own research and see if you want to take a look at this coin. Now, this hash is the exact same as Ethereum. It's an Ethereum fork using ETHash. The one thing that's nice, though, hold on one second. Let's jump over to Octo 3, because that's a mixed rig. And I want to show you something when you have an ETHash algorithm with a very small DAG size. Like right now, they're going to be brand new. It's 1.01 gigabytes for the DAG file size. So you can pretty much use any GPU you want. Let me turn on Octo 3. As you can see, everything is off except for my ASICs right now. That's it. Switch on. Let's give that a few minutes for it to boot up. Now check this out. We only have a 1 gigabyte DAG file size, but all the NVIDIA cards, normal hash rates, but AMD always hashes a little bit higher. Maybe it's because they're all using GDDR6 or something instead of 6X, which actually, no, that's not right either, because the 3060 and the 3060 Ti and even the 3070s, they're all GDDR6. This is the only 6X card I have in this rig, and they're all hashing the same. Something with AMD, they hash better on a small DAG file size. So instead of getting like 46 mega hash, which is what you would get on a 6700 XT, doing a, 5 gigabyte DAG file or whatever it is for for Ethereum before they went proof of stake, you get 50. 50 even. It's nice. It's like free mega hash right there. And again, let's take a look at the flight sheet here, since this is a mixed flight sheet. Basically the same deal. Doesn't matter if you're running Team Red or T-Rex, exact same pool. Just make sure in T-Rex as well, this will also be blank. Type in ETHash, it will pull it on up, and you're golden. Now let's quick jump back over to the Discord. I want to show you, once I figure out where the heck I'm there. They just had an announcement on the PinkChain thing here. Go ahead and pause this if you want to read it all the way, or just go into the Discord and read it yourself. But it basically tells you why they're jumping the gun a little bit to actually go true mainnet, and when it's happening, what's going on with it. This is a link to the same page that we saw before. Same deal here. Get back. Thank you. But that's how it works. It's great. Do your own research. Come on over here. This doesn't scream rug pull to me because they did have like this whole token sale and everything else. You would have to read through all of this information. I can't explain it. I'm sorry. It's beyond my scope of what I understand. So thanks for watching. Comments down below. As always, you can find me over at the Misfit Mining Discord. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.